Hello everyone and welcome to Wikistreamia, the show where we literally read Wikipedia articles to you. My name is Matt Miller and I'll be narrating episode 1. Currently, the English Wikipedia has some 5 million articles we could have chosen from. We ended up going for something broad, something everyone can understand, the planet Earth. Now, in making this episode, we quickly realized how long the actual article is for Earth, and we're gonna have to break this down into a few segments, but we'll see how far we can get tonight. So without further ado, let's begin. Earth, otherwise known as the world, or the globe, is the third planet from the sun and the only object in the universe known to harbor life. It is the densest planet in the solar system and the largest of the 4 terrestrial planets, the 4 being Venus, Mercury, Mars, and Earth. According to radiometric dating and other sources of evidence, Earth formed about 4.54 billion years ago. Earth's gravity interacts with other objects in space, especially the sun and the moon, Earth's only natural satellite. During one orbit around the sun, Earth rotates on its axis over 365 times. Thus, an Earth year is about 365.26 days long. Multiply that by 4 and then we throw a leap year in there and everybody's happy. Earth's axis of rotation is tilted, producing seasonal variations on the planet's surface. The gravitational interaction between the Earth and the moon causes the ocean's tides. It stabilizes the Earth's orientation on its axis, and it gradually slows its rotation. Okay, let's bring this in a little bit. Earth's lithosphere is divided into several rigid tectonic plates that migrate across the surface over periods of many millions of years. About 71% of the Earth's surface is completely covered in water, mostly by its oceans. The remaining 29%, that's land. It consists of continents and islands that together have many lakes, rivers, and other sources of water that contribute to the hydrosphere. Now, Nick, is that a real word? Have you ever heard of hydrosphere?
I have not.
Okay. The majority of Earth's polar regions are covered in ice. Santa Claus is on the top. This includes the Antarctic ice sheet and the sea of ice that is the Arctic ice pack. While the poles are cold, the Earth's interior remains active with a solid inner core and a liquid outer core that generates the Earth's magnetic field. There's also a convecting mantle that drives all of the plate tectonics, brings it all together. Within the first billion years of Earth's history, life appeared in the oceans and began to affect Earth's atmosphere and the surface, leading to the proliferation of aerobic and anaerobic organisms. Those are words, right?
They are.
Some geological evidence indicates that life may have arisen as much as 4.1 billion years ago. Since then, the combination of Earth's distance from the sun, physical properties, and geologic history have allowed life to evolve and thrive over time. In the history of Earth, biodiversity has gone through long periods of expansion and occasionally the mass extinction. See the Great Dying, for instance. It happened 252 million years ago. We lost 95% of all sea life and 70% of all life that existed on land. Over 99% of all species that ever lived on Earth are now extinct. Estimates of the number of species on the Earth today vary wildly, and most species have not even been described. Currently, 2017, we have around 7.4 billion humans on this planet, and we all depend on its biosphere and minerals for our survival. Humans, us, have developed diverse societies and cultures, and politically, the world has about 200 sovereign states. So that concludes part 1 of Wikipedia's Earth article that we're going to be reading. We'll see if we can get through the entire thing. Like we mentioned before, it's a very long article, and I may be dead by the time we complete it. We're going to try to post one of these every week, every couple weeks. We'll see how much we can do. It's me and a couple of my friends who are starting this channel, and we all have jobs, that type of thing. Give us a like, subscribe, all that stuff. Throw us $1,000 in the mail if you feel like it. I'm poor.